Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vishal Gaikwad and today I am going to present a business plan on Naturals Ice Cream. So let's begin. Business plan criteria. Land of 5000 square feet and cash in hand is rupees 50 lakhs. My business idea is to start a Naturals Ice Cream franchisee at Boisar. About Naturals Ice Cream. Naturals Ice Cream is an Indian company that manufactures and sells ice cream. It was founded by Raghunandan S. Kamath in 1984 at Juhu, Mumbai. Naturals Ice Cream has a nationwide presence as the company has opened up to 135 ice cream stores around India. Company has the tagline Taste the Original. 125 flavors are present currently and out of which 20 are offered throughout the year. It has only one manufacturing facility that is located in the suburb of Mumbai, that is Kandivali, and the area named is Charkop. Reasons for selecting Naturals ice cream business. It is a strong and well-networked brand in India. Low-cost business model. You can relocate if current location is not good. More than 30 years of experience in the market. Major skills are not required for operating this franchisee. Naturals ice cream franchisee is an excellent opportunity for business as it gains a profit margin of 30 to 50% every year. Financial analysis. Natural ice cream franchisee cost civil interior works 4 lakh rupees, machinery and equipment 2 lakhs, furniture and fixture 1 lakh, working capital 50,000 and a brand deposit of 1 lakh rupees. So the total cost goes around 8 to 10 lakhs. Natural ice cream franchisee requires 500 to 1000 square feet area. Marketing research. Survey of 27 respondents have been recorded and used for making this report. What is your gender? 27% have responded and out of that 63% are male and 37% are female. What is the age of respondent? More than 60%, that is 63% to be precise, are in the age group of 20 to 30 and 18.5% are in the age group of 30 to 40. Do you like eating ice cream? There are 55% people that like ice cream very much, then 11% like a little lesser than them, and 22% are on average. More than 85% people like eating ice cream, so they buy the ice cream. 96% of people like to eat ice cream in summers. Most people, that is 44% of people, like to eat ice cream late night. Then there are 33% people who like to eat ice cream in the afternoon and 22% people like to eat in the evening. So no one is interested in eating ice cream in the morning. More than 25% people like to eat ice cream in an atmosphere which is lively. Then 14.8% people like to eat ice cream in an atmosphere where it is elegant and quiet. 11% people like to eat ice cream in a romantic atmosphere, and 18.5% people like to eat ice cream in classical atmosphere. Which ice cream brand do the people like most? As we see that 48% of people like Amul brand, then 29.6% people like Naturals brand, 11% is for Haumo's ice cream. There are more than 96% of people who would like to go to Naturals brand ice cream shop if it is opened in Boise. 55% of people would like to go below 2 times in a week. 33% of people would like to go 2 to 3 times per week, and 11.1% of people would like to go 7 times a week. 33.3% of people would like to go with friends. 33.3% people would like to go with family. 25.9% people would like to go alone, and 7.4% people would like to go with their boyfriend and girlfriends. 40.7% of people are ready to spend 50 rupees per person for an ice cream. Again, 40.7% of people are ready to pay around 80 rupees per person for an ice cream. Best analysis. P stands for political factor, E stands for economic factors, S stands for social factors, and T stands for technological factors. In political factors, local government plays an important role. Judiciary, independence, democracy, and other democratic institutions. Likelihood of entering into an armed conflict, unrest within the country, and chances of civil unrest. Size of the government budgets, regulatory practices, segregation of political responsibilities between different government agencies. Now we will go through the economic factors, GDP trend and rate of economic growth. Demand shifts from goods economy to service economy. Foreign exchange rate. Price fluctuation in both local and international markets. Level of household income and saving rate. Consumer disposable income. Employment rate. Now we will study social factors. Nature of social contract between government and society. Attitude towards health and safety. Level of social concern and awareness in the society. Types of immigrations and attitude towards immigrants. Attitude towards saving. Birth rate. Demographic trend. Gender composition in labor market. Now we will study technological factors. Transparency and digital drive. E-commerce and related infrastructure development. Likelihood of technology disruption. Integration of technology into society and business processes. Mobile phone and internet penetration. Empowerment of supply chain partners. Technology transfer and licensing issue for ice cream. Research and development investment level. Now we will study SWOT analysis. First we will see strengths. Good product range include various flavors. Good quality, organic and natural food, no preservative, and it is chemical free. Natural ice cream is a third in terms of revenue, that is 300 crores in 2020. 125 flavors options, out of which 20 are offered throughout the year, and the rest are seasonal. Local customer base. No official marketing is required, only the word of mouth by its loyal customers is needed. Weakness. Growing competition from international and other brands means limited market share, limited presence as compared to leading global brands. 135 stores across India, less stores compared with competitors. Opportunity. High-end ice cream to tap the higher income group also. Tie up with food chain, restaurant, mobile van for better visibility. Increasing customer reach. Threats: strong competitors, comparatively less market reach, kulfi in rural market, local ice cream and sweet dishes, perishable food item. Conclusion: opening Naturals ice cream at Boisar, which already has been successfully operating in many states in India. The Boisar Palghar market for food and beverage still has a lot of options where expansion is possible and the business is profitable. The purchasing power of local is good and the market is expanding, giving more opportunities for us. The current era is for healthy and tasty products, which give our product a leverage over all other existing products in our segment. And hence with a good start, we believe the scope is beyond our boundaries. References. I have taken references from these websites and I have made this Google form for market survey. Grab the latest ice cream scoop at your nearest natural ice cream shop. Thank you.